fish on. There we go. This feels like a nice one. I haven't seen it yet. Let's see what it is. Oh, nice trout. Oh, yeah. There's my 17-inch trout I was looking for. Let's see how big he actually is. I've been using the pinfish, and then I just caught this one on the white jerk shad. So looks like a nice little keeper. Got a nice little 15.5 incher. Oh wow, this one looks like he's been like a dolphin tried him. He's got all these strakes down him. I don't know if you can see it on the other side. Yeah, look at the I don't know if you can see it in there, but he's got like strake marks all the way down on both sides. That's wild. I don't know if you can see that, but it's crazy. I'll let you go, buddy. You survived the dolphins, you can survive me. All right. He was only 15.5. Probably why the dolphin threw him back.